Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing the topic finding square roots through division method or long division method. This is the explanation for doubling the divisor. We have to multiply the divisor by 2 in this method, and this is the explanation for that. This is a on-screen explanation. I have discussed this in PP presentation also. One can refer that to. Thank you. Good luck. Let us take any number to study. I am selecting 23 for this study. We are trying to find why we should multiply a divisor by 2. Any divisor, if it is there, we always multiply it by 2 in this process of finding square root by long division method. Okay. So you will see here 23 into 23 is 529. That is the square of 23. So let us try to find out the square root of 529 by a long division method. Okay. So 529, then two bars, you are familiar with this, and these two lines, horizontal and vertical, and then 2 twos are 4. You know this. If you do not know, have some practice, because this part may not be the part of your syllabus, but one should know why we are carrying certain steps. Okay. So here we are 5 minus 4 is 1 and carried 1. Now here, after carrying 29 down here, we multiply this divisor by 2. We get 4 and carry the method. 41 into 1 is 41, 42 into 2 is 84. You know this. 43 into 3 is 129, and you are getting your answer 43. See here, 3 into 3 is 129, and a remainder is 0, 0, 0. So root of 529 is 23. You know that. Okay. So now we are trying to find out square of 23 by adding 23 times. You know that. Okay. Because we are trying to solve this by addition method to understand this. You know, we multiply that divisor, in this case the 2 by 2, any divisor. You may, if you have different numbers, maybe 3 4 like that, but that is multiplied by 2. Okay, we are trying to find it out. Now we are adding 23 times. Okay, this is over. Now the next step is we write 23 as 20 plus 3. So we are not changing any value, we are just trying to represent it in a different manner for us to understand why we are carrying certain steps in long division method. Okay. So 20 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 20 plus 3, all those 23 found above will be replaced by the bracket 20 plus 3. Okay. So the addition of the 20 plus 3, 20 plus 3 and 23, 23 will be same. Okay. So we are adding 20 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 23 brackets. Okay. Remember, we are taking 23 brackets. Okay. And carry, as we are finding in the long division method. Let us finish this first. 20 plus 3 and 20. This is just to understand, I am taking lower values. Okay. Now we have all these numbers, we are adding 20 times. We are, see, I'm cancelling 20 20s. I'm cancelling 120, second 20, 30. third 20 like that, see. And after cancelling 20 times 20, that means we are taking this into addition, so 20 into 20 is 400. So we have contributed for 400. Okay, that is your A. Now this is the important step. We are left with 3 20 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that all companion of 20 which you have already taken. You have already taken 20 20s. So 3 companion of this 20 is remaining 320 times. See, I am writing 320 times. Okay, and 23 times. 23 times. See, okay, you always come across such type of equation. See, I am taking this 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, in another video you have seen I have taken 24 as a number, then 4 20 times, 24 times. It's like that always. See, now it is here 3 20 times and 23 times. Always get these two numbers repeated like this. Okay, so see this and this. Okay, so we are writing this in a mathematical form. I'm writing it 3 into 20. We have taken 3 plus 3 plus 3 20 times. So 3 into 20 plus 20 into 3. See, this is the fun of this method, that you always get such two numbers. First 20 represents numbers, how many times 3 occurs, and second this 3 is a number, how many times 20 occurs. Okay, they always get numbers like that. So if you solve it ahead, you get 3 into 20 plus 20, that is 3 into 2 into 20. This 2 is important. For this 2, you always multiply that by 2. Okay, remember this. If you recollect this method properly, or if you study this or think on this method properly, you will understand this is that 2 which multiplies the divisor by 2. Okay, now 3 are still left, 3 plus 3 plus 3. So we are taking 3 into 3, but we are not writing 9. We are not solving it. We are just adding it. A and B. See, add. We will add it, these two quantities. 3 into 2 into 20 plus 3 into 3. Taking 3 common, we get 2 into 20 is 40 plus 3. That means 3 into 43. See how it is connected. Okay, this answer is 129. We will see later on. But this 43, this is B of course. A is 400. Okay. Now see this 43. Where is this 43? It is here. Okay. And this 3. Know how it is connected like this. Okay. And 129 B and 22 into 400. Now we are adding these quantities. We have added all these quantities in the manner which we want. Okay, so we are adding 400 plus 129 is 529. So even after adding and by multiplying, answer remains same, but here this is 529. So we were trying to see why we have to multiply this divisor by 2, and we have successfully seen. You try to solve such problems and come across many such examples, and if you think over it, recollect the method, then you will come to know or understand why we are multiplying any divisor by 2 in this method of long division. Okay, so I have a video on PP also, PowerPoint presentation also. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. Okay, thank you. Good luck. Let us take one more number, one more example for studying this. so that we can try to understand why divisor should be multiplied by 2. In 2 or 3 examples, we have seen a divisor only 2 in the beginning. Now I am selecting a number which will have 1 as a divisor, but still we are multiplying it by 2. Okay, so taking number as 19. Okay, so see, 19 into 19 is 19 square is 361, and we are trying to find the square root of 361 by a long division method. Okay, so let us write 361. I am going slow because it's very easy to understand. There is no point in making any hurry. 61 and then 2 bars, 61 and 3, you know this, and you know 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 you get 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, transfer that 61. Okay, then you multiply this 1 by 2, you get 2 here. You know, in this method what we do with this 2, 2 into 1, that is 21 into 1 is 21, 22 you increase 1 and another digit by 1, like that you go. 29 into 9 is 261. Okay, then is 261. Okay, so you see I'm writing it here. 19 9, 29 into 9 is that 19 is 261, and you're getting 0 0 0. Okay, so root of 361 is 19, you know that. We have found it 361 by multiplying 19 into 19. Now let us find it by addition method. That is, we have to add 19 times. Okay, so I am writing 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19 19 times. Let us write. Okay, this is because there is some similarity between this and long division method, and that will give us idea why we have multiplied that divisor 1 by 2. Okay, so this is 9. Now uh, replacing this 19 as 10 plus 9. Okay, so all 19 will have 10 plus 9, that is 10 plus 9 plus 10 plus 9, 19 times. Okay, so as there should not be any confusion, I have taken this number 19 so that you can understand it in a better manner. So let us write this and carry out the process as we have seen one more problem in this video, and I have covered 2 more on PowerPoint video also. Go and check that also. We are trying to see why we have to multiply divisor by 2, always by 2, any divisor. Okay, in this case the divisor is 1, in previous case it was 2, and some other case it was 3, like that. Okay, so this is that. Now I am collecting 10 times. Okay, always this is a procedure. Okay, 10 times, 10 brackets collecting, or taking 10 from 10 brackets. So getting 10 into 10, that is 100. Here I am cancelling, as I am taking it for calculation, I am cancelling it. I am taking 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, understand this. Now this is a very important step. We are left with 10 nines which are accompanied by the cancelled 10. Okay, so we have 10 times 9. Understanding it? Getting it? This is that. And remaining, this is that. And 9 times 10. Are you getting it? See, it is here. This. We are left with 9 brackets which contains 10. So we are taking those 10 into consideration. So we were left with 10 times 9, and after that 9 times 10. Okay, so I am writing in a mathematical manner. 10 into 9 plus 9 into 10 is taking 9 common, 10 plus 10, or 9 into 2 into 10. This 2 is important. See, writing 20 is not important. This 2 is important. This 2. Okay, as this is that 2 which we multiply there. Okay, you have to always get it like that. This number always 2 into that number, and you multiply that. Now we are still left with 9 nines. Okay, 9 into 9. Now write it like that only. Okay, now you have to add this. I am adding it. 9 into 2 into 10 plus 9 into 9. Now I am taking 9 common, and we are left with 20 plus 9. Okay, that is 20 plus 9 is 9 into 29. Where are these connected? Just see. This 9, this 29 I am taking it from here, and this 9 there. Okay, so this comes out to be 261, and if we add that 100 to 261, you are getting 361. Okay, so we have seen from where we multiply this divisor by 2. Then see, every example you multiply this divisor by 2. This is the reason. Okay, so this is that 2. See this. Okay, study this method. Think a little. Don't write anything without knowing, at least not in maths. You should try to know why you are writing and what you are writing. Okay, that will solve your problem permanently. You are not supposed to do anything mechanically. Okay, this is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. Have a good time. Thank you. Good luck.